All right, welcome to Cardboxbreak.com. We're here for another box break for 2011 Topps Triple Threads football. Um, Things are slowing down a little bit with the football products, so we're going to be transitioning. Not completely. We'll still have new football products coming out, but we're going to start ordering in some baseball as those come out as well. So there will be football, but we'll also have some baseball, and with how hot Jeremy Lin has been in basketball, maybe we'll start doing some basketball products as well. So hit me up on the forum or send me an email if there's something you'd like to see, sport, product, and I'll be sure to check with some others and put it in the order. I do almost a weekly or bi-weekly order, so let me know. All right, let's review the sell sheet for today's break. We have Carolina Panthers, Alan P. Cincinnati Bengals, Paul E. Team Pack 1, Paul E. Team Pack 2, Cass E. Team Pack 3 and 4, Alan P. Team Pack 5, Alan P. 6, Chris G. Welcome back, Chris. 7, Cass. 8, Paul. 9, David. Welcome back, David. And again, Paul E. So Paul scooping up, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. Alan has 4 spots, so good luck to everybody. Again, Topps Triple Threads. I see that I have a few more spots on plates and patches. And let's get that serial number. That is 3536 is what we're ending in. 3536. And like I said, so we have plates and patches up on the website now. I got the current box that's out there, and I got another box. And I got the order that I'm placing tomorrow. All right, so let's get started. And empty box, of course. We got our 2 minis. And as everybody knows, I think you're all no newbies here today, but that's my decoy that I'll be playing with. And I'm going to crack into this one. So here we go. Good stuff here. Let's hope for something huge. Love to see a nice 101 or something. Whoops. Alright. And I'm just going to pull up the top 2, and I've seen this guy before. We're going to see another one of them. First card is going to be for the Dallas Cowboys, Tony Romo. This looks like the yellow version or gold version, and that is serial numbered. 70 out of 99. So Tony Romo, Dallas Cowboys, Alan P. Next up, we have the base version, another Cowboy, DeMarcus Ware. So that's the regular blue version, I guess. And that is these serial numbers. It's 366. Wow. 366 out of 999. And next up, for the Eagles, Deshaun Jackson. And that is serial numbered 410. See it a little better there, out of 999. And next up, I love pulling this guy, Steve Smith for the Carolina Panthers. And that is going to be serial numbered 453 out of 999. So Alan P on that, and the Eagles, Deshaun Jackson was Paulie. Next up, not a bad one here. Looks like a yellow version. Dan Marino for the Dolphins. And that is serial numbered 257 out of 300. And who's got the Dolphins? Paulie with the Dolphins. And let's go with the first hit is going to be for the Washington Redskins, and that's Art Monk. And that is serial number 22 out of 27 for the jersey card of Art Monk. And that's Cass E. I'll be taking that one. Game used. And the rookie auto is going to be Alex Green of the Green Bay Packers. Rookie auto jersey. And that is 16 out of 70. And Packers, that's Team Pack 7, that's Cass E as well. So Cass taking home both the hits in the first mini box. So congratulations. A little bit slow box. Hopefully something big in this one. This one feels a little bit thin, which is odd. Guess not. I'm going to put these ones on the top. And first up, for the Miami Dolphins, we have a Brandon Marshall. And that's serial numbered. Come on. Come on. Wow. There it is. 90 out of 250. 90 out of 250. Next up, for the Ravens, Ray Rice, base. Ray Rice, and that is 236 out of 999 for Ray Rice. And after that, for the Houston Texans, Arian Foster, 401 out of 999. And after the Arian Foster, another Raven, Ed Reed. And this one is 625 out of 999. And the last base type hit is going to be Sam Bradford of the Rams. And that is 236 out of 300. So I know I wasn't going over. So Paul E. takes home the Bradford. The Ravens are both going to Chris G. And the Texans, Arian Foster is Alan P. So, and we already did the Dolphins. That was Paul E. as well. So now we're to the hits. And we'll do this one first. And the first, the jersey card is going to be Chris Johnson for the Tennessee Titans. And that is numbered 13 of 36. So Titans, Chris Johnson. And that's going to Titans, Alan P. And I like this next one. Pretty sick looking. It's going to be for the runners-up this year, New England Patriots, Ryan Mallett, jersey autograph. Not sure what they call this version, but it is serial numbered 8 out of 75 for the Ryan Mallett jersey autograph. And that's going to Chris G. So, not a bad hit there. Really like this card. And I'm pretty sure you're a big Patriots fan, so congratulations, buddy. All right, that just about does it for the Topps Triple Threads. Again, I have plates and patches up with, we're probably about halfway sold to that. So jump on, grab some spots, and hey, if we can get it sold out tonight, I'm good to do another break as long as it's sold out by 10 o'clock tonight. I'll do the break tonight. If not, we'll break it when it gets sold out. So grab the spots if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me here at cardboxbreak.com.